Hi y'all, it's a windy day here on the beach. I am here in front of Cherry Grove Pier and they are doing repairs on it, so we are excited about that. I just got through showing some clients places in North Myrtle and Cherry Grove, and I wanted to go ahead and hop on here and show you what's going on with the pier. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, everybody, so they've been working on the pier now for over a month and they've been making great progress. So we are getting closer to having that connection. It's a beautiful day here in North Myrtle Beach, Cherry Grove. I was just showing some condominiums to a couple clients. Beautiful day here at the beach. It's around 4:30 or so on a Tuesday afternoon. It's a bright day and windy. And again, it's exciting what they have going on. The workers are not here right now. They've been working hard and have put in some new posts, and that whole section right there you see. So it took a while to get the equipment here. That's why they had to go ahead and wait to start the construction, but this will be taken care of definitely before all the tourists get here. The only beings, the only creatures on the end of the pier right now are a whole bunch of birds that have been enjoying it now that the fishermen are out there. So this is the Prince Resort, very popular area to come and stay, and it has a lot of amenities. It has pools, it has a restaurant, of course it has a bait shop. So you can see the restoration too that they've done here in Cherry Grove with moving the sand back where some of the dunes were lost from Hurricane Ian. All right, everybody. So wanted to go ahead and show you that, the Cherry Grove Pier, and that it's being repaired. Hope y'all are doing well. Until next time, take care.